Hi, I'm Teresa Fitzpatrick Stover, Chief Cultural Officer here at PJ Fitzpatrick, and I'll be taking you on a tour of our facility. This is our brag room. Here you can see our awards, achievements, and letters from the boss, also known as the customer here at PJ Fitzpatrick. We have compiled so many over the years. For a morning cup of coffee or a relaxing lunch, enjoy our small kitchen for a relaxing break. Our larger lunchroom offers multiple tables and a TV for employee socialization and collaboration during meals. This has often been the spot for fun office events like our annual chili cook-off contest. In our Newcastle room, as many as 14 people can comfortably enjoy training or a meeting. Here we have the warehouse, which is constantly busy as we receive new materials and employees reload their trucks and vans to head out to our customers' homes. Our Montgomery conference room can accommodate 8, equipped with a whiteboard and a large monitor screen, great for project collaboration and meetings like our monthly Book of the Month Club. When you just need some peace, quiet, and relaxation, enjoy our Zen room. It is a great spot to hide away to read, rest, and relax. Plus, there's always candy in there. If staying healthy is a top priority of yours, our on-site gym is the way to go. Enjoy 2 rooms stocked with equipment. We even have a Peloton. After your workout, we have a dressing room and shower for use so you can return comfortably back to work. We have various uniform types and sizes for all employees, and they are received based on role dependency. Our goal is to make sure our folks are comfortable and look good. The mail and copier room is available for customer correspondence, scanning, and fax services for the office. Training is important to us here at PJ, so we created an extravagant space dedicated to our educational training center. As you can see, we love Philly sports at PJ Fitz. We have 2 different rooms, the Phillies baseball team themed bullpen for larger group training, and education exercises can happen simultaneously, and also a room dedicated to smaller group training. Making it fun is one of our core values, so we often like to use the space for games and contests.
My name's Rick, and my mission is to plan and execute the long-term vision of the company. My goal is to identify opportunities and trends to propel PJ Fitz forward to be the most successful home improvement company in the area for many years to come. I started as a project manager, moved into sales as a home improvement consultant, then general manager before purchasing the company from the founder Pete in 2009. I have plenty of family and friends here, and most importantly my wife Teresa Fitzpatrick Stover, my brother-in-law Pete Jr., and my fraternity brother Paul, just to name a few.
Hi, I'm James, and my personal mission is to be a mindful leader focused on inspiring my team to reach peaks they thought were unreachable. I joined PJ Fitzpatrick in July 2020 and have absolutely loved my short time here. I look forward to leading each of you and our company into the future.
Hi, I'm Charlie, and my goal as the recruiter is to identify, qualify, and onboard high-quality professionals to join the PJ Fitzpatrick team. We are going to be hiring a lot of new employees as we grow and expand, and I'm excited to help grow the PJ Fitzpatrick team.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to PJ Fitzpatrick. I'm Larry, and our job in marketing is to get the phone to ring, and not just ring off the hook, but ring in with quality leads from every and any source. We're growing, and not just the old-fashioned way with ads in, the newspaper or direct mail and TV, but we're expanding with paid ads in Google and compelling targeting in Facebook and other social media. Again, let's get that phone to ring, and thank you.
Hello all, and welcome to the call center, where our mission is to set good quality leads for both sales and service.
We handle both inbound and outbound calls.
As the saying goes, it all starts in the center.
We look forward to the center being even bigger and better in 2021.
Hi, I'm Patrick. The mission in service is to generate revenue, first by contracting and completing exterior home repairs for our customers, and additionally by providing quality leads for our home improvement consultants. Warranty's mission is to provide excellent follow-up service for our customers with claims on our full line products. I started as a repair expert, then in 2018 became the department's field trainer, and in 2019 moved into my current position.
Hi, my name is Jeremy, and our mission here in the sales department is to determine what customers need and what customers want, and provide long-term solutions that will improve their home and its value. I've been at PJ Fitzpatrick for over 10 years now, and I started here as a home improvement consultant, and I'm now the general sales manager. And we are looking forward to adding more members to our team.
Hi, my name's Josh, and over my 14 years at PJ Fitzpatrick, I've had a few different roles. I started off in the canvas division, then moved into sales and was an HIC for about 10 years, and have been sales manager, trainer since the end of 2016. I've had a fair amount of family work at the company as well. My cousin Jonathan was a canvasser, and my uncles Dave and Tim were a big part of the company up until recently.
Hi, I'm Paul, and my mission here is to provide the support, the training, and the procedural excellence to ensure that every person in operations is able to deliver an exceptional installation, repair, or warranty experience for our customers each and every time. Now I'm here because my good friend Rick convinced me to leave the banking industry and join PJ Fitzpatrick in our sales department, where I eventually moved into the role of general manager before assuming my current position.
Hi, my name is Doug Long, and it's my personal mission to deliver the best customer experience this industry has to offer. I've held many different positions throughout all my years here at PJ Fitzpatrick. My tenure is a great example showing that there's room for advancement within the company. My coworkers are just like family, which makes this the best place to work.
Hello, I'm Al. In the bath division, our mission is to provide the ultimate level of customer service with the best available products and top-notch installers. I started with PJ Fitzpatrick as a lead installer in the bath division when we were both much smaller. We have had lots of growth since then, and we are looking forward to more growth, expansion, and opportunity in the years to come.
Hi, I'm Scott Smurl, and we in accounting, finance, and human resources believe everyone is our customer, including you. That's why all of us are excited about our growth opportunity this year and the years to come. We hope you are too.
Hi, I'm Annette, and our information technology mission is to provide both strategic vision and enterprising solutions to meet goals, deliver results, and enhance the company's position in the world of technology. We will have plenty of growth opportunities as the company continues to grow and expand.
Hi, I'm Amanda, and our mission in human resources is to ensure that our employees have a great experience while working for PJ Fitzpatrick. Before I started in the HR department, I worked in the accounting department. I also have a younger cousin who currently works part-time for PJ.
Hi, I'm Almina, and our branding and compliance mission is to protect and enhance the PJ brand while providing all customers a 5-star experience. I've had multiple roles at PJ over the years, and many friends and family have and still work here at PJ.
I hope that you enjoyed our tour. As Chief Cultural Officer here at PJ Fitzpatrick, my mission is to ensure that PJ Fitz continues to be a great place to work. My goal is to ensure that all departments align with the company's mission and core purpose of making life better, one home at a time.